Hello everybody, my name is Krishna Mohan. Today we are going to discuss January 30 afternoon session JEE Mains 2023 paper. It is completely memory based paper, so maybe some options or some values may differ. We will go accordingly. Okay, so see the first question. It is saying that common tangent to the parabola and the circle, find the square of distance between point of contact of common tangent on both the curves. So there is a common tangent to both the curves where it touch the curve, suppose at A and B, we need to find the square of the distance between A and B. Then you know that any tangent to the parabola is y equal to mx plus a by m. Here a value 4a is 16, so a is 4, y equal to mx plus a by m, that is m square x minus my plus 4 equal to 0. Now this is the tangent to the parabola, but he said the common tangent, means this is also the tangent to the circle. For a line to the tangent to the circle, from center the perpendicular distance should be equal to the radius. From center, what is the perpendicular distance? Mod 4 by root over of m power 4 plus m square should be equal to the distance, radius, that is how much? 2 root 2. Squaring on both sides, we will get 16 by 8 is equal to m power 4 plus m square, 8 ones, 8 twos. So clearly your value of m square is how much? 1, means m is plus minus 1. Let us take the first value of m, suppose m equal to 1, then the equation of tangent we get is x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. Now let us solve this line with the parabola. Y square is equal to 16x. What is the value of x? Y minus 4. Observe that this is y minus 8 whole square. So what is the value of y? 8. Substitute the value of y, you will get the value of x as minus 8 plus 4 minus 4. So x is what? 4. Means the point of contact is 4 comma 8. This is the point of contact with the parabola. Now we will go for the point of contact with the circle. You know that for point of contact from center, foot of the perpendicular will give you the point of contact with the circle. So let us go for the point of foot of the perpendicular from 0 0. So suppose h comma k is the foot of the perpendicular, then h minus 0 by 1 is k minus 0 by minus 1 is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square, 2 ones, 2 twos. So h is what? Minus 2, k is what? 2. This is the point of contact we got with circle, and point of the contact with parabola what we got? 4 comma 8. So what is the distance between AB? AB distance is, and we need AB square actually, point of contact distance square we need. So just find the distance. 4 plus 2 6 square 36 plus 8 minus 2 6 square 36. So distance square is how much? 72. That is this option. Now you can ask me that why I am not going with m equal to minus 1, because the graph is clearly symmetric about the x axis. So if you go with m equal to minus 1 also, you will get the length square same value only. So answer should be 72 for the first problem. It's a good problem actually. F given, G given, H given, we need to find this limit value. So for limit we just have to find the right hand limit and left hand limit. If they are equal, I am sure that one of the option must be none of these or does not exist. always for such problem they always give one of the option as does not exist, because student has to work, maybe a right hand limit, left hand limit may not be equal. In that case the limit does not exist. So we should always go for right hand limit and left hand limit. So let us go for limit extends to 1 plus g of h of x minus 1, which is limit t tends to 0 g of h of 1 plus t minus 1. Usually we take h, but since already h as the function he had used, that's why we are taking t here. Okay, what I am calculating here? RHL. So 1 and 1 got cancelled. Now come on, tell me, when t is going towards 0, h of 0, 0 plus greatest integer value 0, 0 plus, what is f of 0 plus value? 0 plus, so mod x is x, xx got cancelled, that value is what? 1. This is 1, this is 0, so this is what? 1. So this is nothing but limit t tends to 0 g of 1. Now what is g of 1? Put here 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 1, 2, that is what? Sine 2 by 2. But please don't come for the conclusion here, because we had only calculated the right hand limit. So only two options left now, either sine 2 by 2 or does not exist. For that we will go for the left hand limit. What is left hand limit? That is limit extends to 1 minus g of h of x minus 1, that is limit t tends to 0 g of h of 1 minus t minus 1. This 1 and 1 got cancelled. So 0 minus now means this is now negative. For negative, 0 minus greatest integer value minus 1, this is minus 2. That is nothing but limit t tends to 0 g of, let us calculate this value, 0 minus, this is 2 into minus 1 and 0 minus again here, so sine 1 by 1, no, f of 0, 0 minus also, mod x is minus x, minus 1, that is minus 2 minus 1, that is what? Minus 3. Now g of minus 3, that is sine of minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1, that is sine minus 2 by minus 2. Sine of minus 2 is minus sine 2 by minus 2, minus minus got cancelled, that is sine 2 by 2. Now observe that left hand limit we got sine 2 by 2, right hand limit also we got sine 2 by 2, and he only talk about the limit, he is not asking you to check about the continuity. So for limit it is enough to check the left hand limit and right hand limit. If they are equal, we say that limit exists and that is equal to what? Sine 2 by 2. So the answer for the second one is option 2. It's a very simple question actually. C bar is what? Twice of A cross B minus 3B bar, and we need to calculate B dot C. Simple, just take the dot product with B. What will you get? B dot C is B dot of twice of A cross B minus 3 B dot B mod B square. B dot A cross B in the box, if the two vectors are same, the box value is 0. So this is 0, 3 mod B square. Mod B value how much? 2. So 2 square 4, 4 3s are 12, that is minus 12 should be the answer. So again the option 2 is correct, answer is minus 12. It's a very simple question, just you have to take the dot product with B on both sides and your answer will come. Yeah, it's a good problem again. See that This is definite integral as the limit of sum of limit. What you will do, first of all, you should try to write the problem in the sigma notation. Limit n tends to infinity 3 by n sigma 2 plus r by n whole square, where r varies from, easily you can find the first value r is 0, but for last value you have to do a little bit work. That 2 plus r by n is how much? 3 minus 1 by n. So that is 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 1 is equal to r plus 1 by n. So clearly the value of r is n minus 1. So r is varying from 0 to n minus 1. Now you know that this constant 3, keep it outside. Limit sigma you will change with integral sign, 1 by n you will change with dx sign, 2 plus r by n will be interchanged by x whole square. Now lower limit and upper limit. Lower limit and upper limit is nothing but when r is 0. What is limit n tends to infinity r by n when r is 0? Obviously 0. And what is limit n tends to infinity when r is n minus 1? N minus 1 by n as n tends to infinity. What is this limit value? 1. So this is nothing but 3 times of 2 plus x whole cube by 3 from 0 to 1. This 3 got cancelled. 2 plus 1, 3 cube, 27 minus 2 cube 8. 27 minus 8 how much? 19. So answer should be 19 for this problem. It's a very basic problem, again, neither lengthy nor difficult. Let us move to the next problem. Yeah, this is again a very standard problem. You will find in every possible book this particular problem. So yes, first of all, what is the domain? 3 minus x should be greater than or equal to 0 for this root over to be defined. Means x should be less than or equal to 3, and x plus 2 should be greater than or equal to 0. Means x should be greater than or equal to minus 2. Means what is the domain? Minus 2 to 3 is the domain. Now obviously root over least value is what? 0. So we will check at the endpoints, as well as for maximum minimum we will go with the differentiation. What is f dash x? 1 by 2 root 3 minus x with minus sign plus 1 by 2 root of x plus 2. For maxima or minima this should be 0. If you equate, what you will get? Root over of 3 minus x is root over of x plus 2, squaring on both sides. 3 minus x is equal to x plus 2, or what is the value of x? 1 by 2. So what is f of half? 3 minus 1 by 2, root 5 by 2 plus 2 plus 1 by 2, root 5 by 2. That is twice of root 5 by 2 or root 10. I can say that it will be the maximum value because both are non-zero. For minimum, one of the value should be 0. So what is f of 3 value? Root 5. And f of minus 2 value, how much? Root 5. Means the graph is something like this. This is the domain, minus 2 and 3. At minus 2 your function value is root 5, at 3 also your function value is root 5, and then graph is increasing and again coming down, and exactly here at half it is taking the maximum value. So what is the range? Least value is root 5, maximum value is root 10, that is root 5 to root 10 is your answer for the fifth problem. Let us move to the next problem. This is quite simple. A1 is 1. AI's are consecutive natural numbers. Means simply he is asking you what? Tan inverse of 1 by 1 plus A1 is how much? 1. Then 2. Means 1 into 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 1 plus 2 into 3 plus and so on, tan inverse 1 by 1 plus 2021 into 2022. Now come on, tell me, this one can I write as 2 minus 1, this one can I write as 3 minus 2, I hope you are following, and this one can I write as 2022 minus 2021. Simple problem, you had done number of such problems. Tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy, tan inverse x minus tan inverse y, that is what you will get here. Tan inverse 2 minus tan inverse 1 plus tan inverse 3 minus tan inverse 2 plus and so on, tan inverse 2022 minus tan inverse 2021, tan inverse 2, tan inverse 3, tan inverse 2021, all will get cancelled. What left? Tan inverse 2022 minus tan inverse 1, how much? Pi by 4. Do we have this option present? No, we have pi by 4 minus tan inverse 2000, but we are getting tan inverse 2022 minus pi by 4. So we should not consider that. So now we should try to convert in terms of cot inverse. Tan inverse 2022 we can write as pi by 2 minus cot inverse 2022 minus pi by 4. Pi by 2 minus pi by 4, pi by 4. So this is pi by 4 minus cot inverse of 2022. So yes, the answer should be second option. Little bit extra calculation he asks you to do, converting from tan inverse to cot inverse, nothing else. A very basic standard problem. Let us move to the next one. Yeah, this is little time taking, but again the standard thing. What is P? Is, you know that suppose I is the greatest integer of P and F is its fractional part. So this is what, 8 root 3 plus 13 whole power 13. Let us do the expansion. 13C0. Acha, first of all tell me what is 8 root 13 or 13? 8 root 3 or 13, which one is bigger? 64 into 3. Obviously 192 is greater than 169. So obviously this value is bigger than this. Always remember that for such problem, when we consider the difference, bigger minus smaller. So what is the expansion? Let us write 13C0 8 root 3 power 13 plus 13C1 8 root 3 power 12 into 13, and it will keep on going like this. Now we will consider f dash. What is your f dash? You know that we have to consider the difference of these two. What is that? 13C0 8 root 3 power 13 minus 13C1 8 root 3 power 12 into 13, and it will keep on going like this. And now the next step is important, that whether we have to add these two or subtract these two. Logic is very simple. We don't want any irrational terms. So come on, tell me, 8 root 3 power 13 odd power means irrational will be there if this term will be there. So what we will do, we will subtract. So what is I plus f minus f dash? This will get cancelled, this will be there. See that 8 root 3 power 12 means this is completely rational. In fact, integer, you will get some 2k. So I is what? 2k minus of f minus f dash. You know very well that f is fractional part, 0 to 1, and you can check 8 root 3 minus 13 also lies between, f dash also lies between 0 and 1. So minus f dash lies between minus 1 and 0. Let us add these two. So f minus f dash should lies between minus 1 and 1, but we know that this is integer, so f minus f dash must be an integer. F minus f dash lies between minus 1 and 1 and it must be an integer, means f minus f dash must be equal to 0, and if f minus f dash is 0 means your I is what? 2k. Okay, means greatest integer of I is what? Greatest integer of p or not? So greatest integer of p we got even. So far the possibilities are second option or fourth option, that is even. Okay, now we will go for q. Same procedure you have to repeat for q. See, what is q? 6 root 2 plus 9 power 9. 6 root 2 plus 9 whole power 9. Now 6 square 36 to 72, 9 square 81. So obviously 6 root 2 is less than 9. So what we should do now? We should write like this: I plus f, I will write as 9 plus 6 root 2 power 9. And now I will do the expansion. 9c 0, 9c 0, 9 power 9 plus 9c 1, 9 power 8 into 6 root 2 plus and so on, and the same procedure. Now we will consider f dash. What is f dash? 9 minus 6 root 2 power 9. What will you get? 9c 0, 9 power 9 minus 9c 1, 9 power 8 into 6 root 2 plus and so on. And now the thing is, again, as I said, we want the rational. So shall we add or subtract? See that 6 root 2 is an irrational number. I don't want this. So obviously we will add. Let us add. What will you get? I plus f dash, you will get some 2k. Again, as you know that f lies between 0 and 1 and f dash lies between 0 and 1. So f plus f dash lies between 0 and 2, but as we can see that this is integer, I is an integer, so f plus f dash must be an integer. So only possible value of f plus f dash is what? 1. Substitute here 1. So what will get the value of I as 2k minus 1, means greatest integer of q is what? Odd. Even, odd. So according to the given question, answer should be second option, that greatest integer of p is even and greatest integer of q is odd. Please confirm. Again I am saying that this is completely memory based, so maybe the options here and there, the mistakes can be there, we can't be sure about it. But procedure, important thing is, see that whenever such problem will come, you will take the I plus f value, then you will consider the difference, make sure the difference should be positive, then you will apply both the expansion, then we will add or subtract accordingly, that we don't want irrational terms. Simple logic. So if we add, then you should consider f plus f dash value as 1, and if you subtract, then f minus f dash is 0, means f equal to f dash. That is the main point of this particular concept. Let us move to the next problem now. Just one step I think. If I am not well, negation p. I am well, p. I am not well, negation p. Then means implies I will not take rest, q, and I will not sleep properly, and I will not sleep properly, r. So negation p implies q and r. One step problem. Okay, I hope you understand. Nothing is there, just as it is, the statements are given, we are writing. Here I think there is a small mistake. This is 4. Okay, q is the maximum value of p lying in the interval. Roots of this equation. This equation is having rational roots. Again, please try to understand, completely memory based, so maybe some grammatical mistakes also you will find. Kindly consider that. Okay, but we want the roots are rational, so discriminant should be a perfect square. What is the discriminant? B square minus 4ac should be perfect square. 4 got cancelled. That is p into p minus 5 should be a perfect square, and q is the maximum value of p. Since we want maximum value of p, we will start with the bigger value. If you substitute 10 into 5, 50. Is it a perfect square? No. We will go to the next number. What is that? 9. 9 into 9 minus 5, 4, 36. Is it perfect square? Yes. So what is the maximum value of p possible? 9. And that maximum value name he is giving as q. Means what is the value of q? Is your 9. Understand? Now come here. Find the area of the region bounded by y less than or equal to x minus q is how much? 9 whole square. Now it's a very simple problem. This is the parabola. This is 0, 9, 0. Y is varying from 0 to when y is 0. So what we need? Y greater than and something like this, no? So this is x is 0. This area we need to calculate. It's as simple. This is integral 0 to 9 x minus 9 whole square dx. That is x minus 9 whole cube by 3 from 0 to 9. Upper limit 0 minus lower limit 9 cube by 3, minus of minus plus. That is 9 into 9 into 3, 81 into 3, 243. 243 should be the answer. Simple problem actually, this one. Okay. This is also not difficult. So when you see the question, you will understand that it's a very simple homogeneous differential equation. But of course, homogeneous differential equation means time taking. But the procedure is very simple. Homogeneous or not? Yes. So what is the procedure to solve the homogeneous differential equation? Take y equal to Vx. So but of course the problem is little time taking, little lengthy, but we had seen that few problems we are getting in one step. So there the time will be saved, and that saved time you have to use here. So what is dy by dx? V plus x dv by dx. Do the substitution. Dy by dx, v plus x dv by dx is equal to minus of 3x square plus y is what? Vx. So v square x square by 3 into y is what? Vx. So v square x square plus x square common and cancel. What you will get? X dv by dx is equal to minus of 3 plus v square by 3v square plus 1 minus v. That is x dv by dx is equal to minus, if we will take common, 3 plus v square plus 3v cube plus v, minus common, 3 plus v square, 3v square into v, 3v cube plus v by 3v square plus 1. Now it is obviously variable separable. Separate the variable. What you will get? 3v square plus 1 by 3v cube plus v square plus v plus 3 dv is minus dx by x. Integrate on both sides. Observe, this is nothing but 3v square plus 1 by, from these two, if I will take 3 common, v cube plus 1, that is v plus 1 into a cube plus b cube, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. From these two, if I will take v common, into v plus 1 dv is equal to minus dx by x. And now what we can take common? We can take v plus 1 common in the denominator. So what will get? 3v square plus 1 dv integral 3v square plus 1 dv by v plus 1 into 3v square minus 3v plus v minus 2v, 3v square minus 2v, 3v square minus 2v plus 3. Check it once. V plus 1 common, 3v square minus 3v plus v minus 2v plus 3. 3v square minus 2v plus 3 is equal to minus of dx by x. Now obviously, for such problems what we will do? Partial fractions. Let us go for partial fraction. 3v square plus 1 by v plus 1 into 3v square minus 2v plus 3 is equal to a by v plus 1 plus bv plus c by 3v square minus 2v plus 3. So compare the coefficients. What will you get? 3v square plus 1 is equal to a times of 3v square minus 2v plus 3 plus bv plus c times of v plus 1. Comparing the coefficient, that is again, once again let us open a times of 3v square minus 2v plus 3 plus bv square plus bv plus c v plus c. So what is the coefficient of v square? 3a plus b. How much? 3. And then v coefficient minus 2a minus 2a plus b plus c. How much? 0. And then the constant term. What is the constant? 3a plus c should be equal to 1. This is first equation, this is second equation, this is third equation. Subtract 3 plus 2, 5a minus b, c cancel, is equal to 1. And we have 3a plus b, how much? 3. Let us add 3 plus 5, 8a is equal to 3 plus 1, 4. So what is the value of a? 1 by 2. Substitute the value of a, we will get b is equal to 3 minus 3a. 3 minus 3a. 6 minus 3. B is 3 by 2. Substitute a here. C is how much? 1 minus 3a. 3 by 2. 2 minus 3. That is what? Minus 1 by 2. Substitute ABC values here. What you will get? So this is a 1 by 2 by v plus 1 plus 3 by 2 v minus 1 by 2 by 3v square minus 2v plus 3. This thing, I am integrating this one separately. Let us integrate this and then we will equate with this one. So what is this integration? 1 by 2 log of v plus 1 minus 1 by 2, if I will take common, in fact multiply and divide by 2, 6v minus 2 by 3v square minus 2v plus 3. Check it, 3 to 6v, 2v. Its derivative is again this one. So 1 by 2 log of v plus 1 minus 1 by 4 log of 3v square minus 2v plus 3. So 1 by 2 log v plus 1, 1 by 2 log v plus 1 minus 1 by 4 log of minus 1 by 4 log of 3v square minus 2v plus 3. Minus 2v plus 3 is minus log x plus log c. Right hand side, minus dx by x, minus dx by x integral minus log x. So this is nothing but log, we will cancel throughout. What you will get? V plus 1 root over of v plus 1 by 3v square minus 2v plus 3 whole power 1 by 4 is equal to c by x, and then y equal to vx. So v is what? Y by x. Do this substitution. What you will get? Root over of y by x plus 1 by 4th root of 3 times of 3 times of y by x whole square minus twice of y by x plus 3 is equal to c by x. Now let us go to the problem what they asked. Y of 1 is 0. So put x is 1 and y is 0, you will get the value of c and hence the function directly. Check it once. X is 1, y is 0, 0, 1 by 4th root of 3 is equal to c by x is what? 1. So c is what? 4th root of 3. Substitute c value here. Do power 4 on both side and your answer will come. Do power 4 on both side. So I think according to the given option, because when you do power 4 on both side, square root whole square x plus y whole square should come. Right. I hope it is clear to you the procedure. Again I am saying that the problem is not difficult but lengthy. You have to do homogeneous equation is always, it is time taking only. Let us move to the next problem. This is one of the very good problems so far what I found in this particular paper. A very good problem. A bag contains 3 same balls, means again the typing error, you should understand that problem, okay. 3 same balls means 3 balls of same color we will assume, okay. Means suppose something like 3 balls are there, all 3 are green and 3 different balls. So red, blue, yellow suppose, okay. Total 6 balls, 3 balls of same color, 3 different color balls, 3 balls of different colors. 2 balls are drawn randomly with replacement. 2 balls we are drawing randomly with replacement. The probability they have same color. So come on, tell me, is M. So same color may be G or maybe red, blue or green. Suppose G came, green came. 3 favorable case, total 6 cases, 3 by 6. And again with replacement. So whatever the ball we had drawn, we will again keep it inside and again we will draw the another ball. That is what? Again 3 by 6. 3 by 6 into 3 by 6, that is what is this value? 1 by 4 when alike color ball came out. But the possibility is there that maybe the red will come out or maybe blue will come out or maybe yellow will come out. So for that case, red came, come on. One favorable case, total cases 6. Again, one favorable case, total number of case 6. But this happened how many times? 3 times. Same for blue, same for yellow. 3 ones, 3 2, 6 twos are 12. That is, M value should be either same color. Here I should not write M. Okay, this is nothing but same color came or different color ball came. So now M value will be sum of these two, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 12. How much? 3 plus 1, 4 by 12. That is, what is the value of M? 1 by 3. Okay, now see very carefully. Now the second case. Again 4 balls are drawn, 1 by 1 replacement. Then the probability getting 3 balls of same color. Okay, again exactly 3 same color ball exactly also should be there. Okay, again this is completely memory based, so some points may missed. Okay, so it is something like in the second case when he is asking you about the N value, N may be something like this: green, 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 red, 4 balls you are drawing, or red, 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 blue, or blue, 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 green, like this. 3 balls of same color, one is different one. So now the same color, again the possibility that the repeated ball will come out or non-repeated ball will come 3 times. Those are the again 2 cases. So come to this case. Green is coming. What is the probability that green will come? 3 by 6, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Why? With replacement. So first green came 1 by 2, second green came 1 by 2, third green came 1 by 2. Now the fourth ball will not be green. So what are the favorable cases? 3, total cases 6, that is 3 by 6 into 4 factorial by 3 factorial, because when you are drawing the ball 1 by 1 with replacement, it is not necessary that it will come in this order only: green, 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 red, or green, green, red, green, or red, green, 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 like this. So now we are arranging them. That is what? 4 factorial by 3 factorial. This is the case when 4 factorial by 3 factorial, when alike color ball came 3 times. Okay, now come here, or now red is coming 3 times. So again, first of all, this 4 factorial by 3 factorial. Okay, red, 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 blue, or red, blue, like that. Okay, now come on, tell me, what is the probability that red will come? 1 by 6. 1 by 6 how many times? 3 times. So red came 3 times. Now next last outcome should not be red. Should not be red means it may be blue or yellow or green. So favorable cases how many? 5. Total how many cases? 6. And then again this will be repeat how many times? 3 times. Why? Because the 3 alike balls will be red or blue or yellow. So that is into 3. This is your value of, and I guess you can do the calculation. M value is 1 by 3. From here you will get the value of N. Multiply M into N and your answer will come. It's a nice question. I will say that it is just above means and just below advanced level. But we can say that advanced level problem. It's a very good problem so far, the problems which we had discussed. This is quite simple problem. Find the 8th common term. First common term clearly 11. What is the first common term? 11. And you know that you need to find the common number of common terms, means the common difference of our required series should be the LCM of the 2 series. All LCM of the differences of the 2 series. What is the difference of the first series? 4. What is the difference of the second series? 5. What is the LCM of 4 comma 5? 20. So first term is 11 and common difference is now how much? 20. We need which term? 8th term. So you know that T8 is A plus 7. D is how much? 11 plus 7 into D is how much? 20. 140 plus 11. 151 answer. Quite simple question. These are, we'll say that are bonus questions. This is another very simple problem. you need to form a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digit number which must be odd, and you have to use only these digits. Odd means last digit should be odd, so last digit may be 1, fixed this position, 1 is fixed. Now how many numbers are there? 6. So total arrangement of those 6 numbers, 6 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Now the last digit can be 3. If last is 3, then arrangement of remaining numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is 6 factorial by 3 is fixed, so only 2 is the repeating letter, that is 3 factorial. And if the last digit is 5, then the arrangement is again 6 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Quite easily you can calculate these 3 values and add, and your answer will come. Understand? Any confusion? I hope no. Very basic problem. This is now another good problem, I will say. 50th root of x, how much? 12. Means what is the value of x? 12 power 50. 50th root of y, how much? 18. So what is your y? 18 power 50. What is x plus y? 12 power 50 plus 18 power 50. So we need, when this is divided by 25, so 25 means we will take the multiples of 5 or multiples of 25 nearby plus minus 1, we will try to write. 12 square how much? 144. Can I write this as 144 power 25, and 18 square how much? 324 whole power 25. 144 I can write as 150 minus 6 whole power 25. And this we can write as 325 minus 1 whole power 25. No need to worry, here clearly the last value will be all, when you will do the binomial expansion, at last you will get here minus 1. Let us see here. Here what you will get? Minus 6 power 25. Check it once. Remaining all terms are multiple of 150, means multiple of 25. So just everything else will be multiple of 25. It is something like 25k plus, minus, if you will take common, you will get 6 power 25 plus 1, and again 25k minus 6, again we will write as 1 plus 5 power 25 plus 1, that is 25k minus of, observe, 1 plus 25 c1 into 5, here only we got the multiple of 25, plus and so on, and finally this plus 1. Okay, this is nothing but this expansion, 1 plus 5 power 25, and this plus extra 25. Again observe that 25 into 5, all the remaining terms will be multiple of 25. So it is something like 25k minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 25 some p, that is 25 times of k minus p minus 2. Remainder cannot be negative, so minus 23 plus 23. So from here again we will take 25 common, 25 lambda plus 23. So when this value is divided by 25, what is the remainder? 23. This is, I will say that it's a good problem. These are the only deciding factors, these type of problems, that this one and that probability problem, they are the remaining problems all the students will get. But those students who will get these type of problems, they will get some very good rank. And of course you know that maths is again the deciding factor is maths only, because I think the physics chemistry are comparatively on the syllabus and not taking much time also for calculation, but maths few problems, some lengthy problems are given. So you'll say that maths was the deciding factor for this time again, like the previous year. This is another time taking but easy. What is that? A, you should take an odd number up to 100, up to 99. B, you should take even number up to 100. A plus B should be, when divided by 23, leave remainder 2, means A plus B should be of the form 23 lambda plus 2. No? And now you tell me that A is odd, B is even, so A plus B should be obviously odd. If this is odd, right hand side equal to this means this should be odd. And now for this to be odd, I want to say that lambda must be odd. Why? Odd into 23 odd, odd plus 2 will give you the odd value. Okay, so lambda should be odd. So start with lambda 1. When lambda is 1, what is your A plus B? A plus B should be 23 plus 2, 25. So what are the ordered pairs AB? A1, B24, A3, B22. Like this. Finally, last possible value of A is how much? Odd number. It can be 23. Then B should be how much? 2. So how many pairs exist? It is observed that 1, 3, 5 up to 23. It's an AP. How many numbers in AP? A plus n minus 1 into D. How much? 23. So n minus 1 into 2, 23 minus 1, 22. So n minus 1 is 11. So n is how much? 12. So here how many such ordered pair exist? 12 ordered pair exist when lambda is 1. So now the thing is again easy but time taking question. Similarly, you will go for lambda equal to 3. As I said, lambda must be odd. So lambda is 3. What you will get? A plus B is how much? 69 plus 2, 71. 71 means again A how much? 1. Then B should be 70. A 3. B how much? 68. Like this. Final possible value of A 69. Then B will be 2. 69 plus 2. Now again, can you calculate how many are there? Means now A plus n minus 1 into D will be 69. So n minus 1 into 2 is what? 68. 68. So n is how much? Here how many possible values came? 35 possible values came. Now go for lambda is 5. If we go for lambda is 5, A plus B is how much? 117. 117. Can I take 1? No. 2? No. Means because observe that biggest possible value is what? 100. So when here you will take biggest possible value 100. So here you should take 17. So starting with 1700. Then 1998. And at last this one maximum value how much? 99. Then this should be how much? 16. So again A plus n minus 1 into D is 99. So n minus 1 into 2. So here how many possibilities came? 42 possibilities came. Now we will go for lambda is 7. 7. How much? 168. 163. A plus B is 163. So again it is taking 100 maximum possible value. Then this will take how much? 63. And then this will take the maximum possible value. How much? 99. And then it will take how much? We want 163. So 64. So 63 to 69 again. A plus n minus 1 into D is how much? 99. N minus 1 into 2, 9 minus 3, 6, 9, 36, 18 plus 1, 19 possibilities came here. And now we will go for lambda is 9. And you observe that lambda is 9, then 23, 9 itself exceed 200. That possibility is not there. These are the only possible cases. So total how many such ordered pairs? 12 plus 35 plus 42 plus 19. Just check the calculation. This is the main logic of the problem. Again, deciding factor. I am saying that this is one of the very important problem for this particular paper, which will decide your fate actually, that how much good percentile you will get in maths. 4 such problems are there. This is quite a simple question. What he said, let a line parallel to this one. So this is indirectly the line given unsymmetric form. So drs of the line in unsymmetric form, simply the cross product of these two. What is that? I j k 1 3 minus 2 1 minus 1 2 I into 3 to 6 minus 2 4 minus j into 2 plus 2 4 plus k into minus 1 minus 3 minus 4, means what are the drs of the line? 1 minus 1 minus 1. Point is given, drs are given. If the passing through 2 3 1, so point is there, drs are there. So what is the equation of the line? X minus 2 by 1 is equal to y minus 3 by minus 1 is equal to z minus 1 by minus 1. It is something like, see that this is the line, here is the point 538. From there we need the perpendicular distance. So suppose the foot of the perpendicular is m, we need to find pm value. So any point on the line, if you will want, you will take it as lambda. So you will get the point m as lambda plus 2 minus lambda plus 3 minus lambda plus 1. What are the drs of pm? And what is the point P you have? 538. What are the drs of pm? Lambda minus 3 minus lambda minus lambda minus 7. And what are the drs of the line we got? 1 minus 1 minus 1. If you observe the figure, pm is perpendicular to the line, dot product 0. Lambda minus 3 plus lambda plus 7 should be equal to 0. That is 3 lambda plus 4 is 0. So we got the value of lambda as minus 4 by 3. Substitute the value of lambda here. You will get the point P m. So what is your m? Minus 3 to 6 minus 4, 2 by 3, 4, 3, 9 plus 2, 13 by 3 and 4 plus 3, 7 by 3. This is your point m and p you have. So just go for the distance formula, root over of 5 minus 2 by 3 whole square plus 3 minus 13 by 3 whole square plus 8 minus 7 by 3 whole square. This is again a little time taking but quite simple problem. You had done number of such problems. So it's a very simple question. You are supposed to get it in the exam only. Area bounded by the two curves, three curves in fact. This is again, if you observe that similar question was asked in IIT JEE Advanced also, but instead of twice of x into x minus 1, 1 minus x, they gave 3x into 1 minus x. So again a very simple problem. Y equal to x square, y equal to 1 minus x whole square, and this intersection point is how much? X square is equal to 1 minus x square, clearly 1 by 2. And observe that if you put 1 by 2 here, 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. At x equal to 1 by 2, this is 1 by 4. At x equal to 1 by 2, this is 1 by 2. Means your graph is, what is the intersection of these two? X square is equal to 2x into 1 minus x. X 0 case I will cancel. X is equal to 2 minus 2x. That is 3x is 2. So it is something like intersection point is 2 by 3. Then here it will be 1 by 3. See that 0, 1. X square is equal to 1 minus x square intersection. X is equal to 1 by 2, right. So this point is nothing but your 1 by 3. This point is your 2 by 3. You can check it. Now what he will ask you, the area bounded by this and this is A. So these three curves together he mentioned. I think again there is some error in the problem. Because you are getting this portion also, this portion also, this portion also bounded between the three curves. So let us assume that this is the thing he is asking, bounded by the three curves, bounded by the three curves, bounded by the three curves. So what we will do, from this portion we will just subtract this portion. That is what? Integral 0 to 1. What is this curve? 2x into 1 minus x dx. This will give you this total area, and from that one we will subtract integral 0 to 1 by 2 x square dx, and also we will subtract 1 by 2 to 1 minus x whole square, or x minus 1 whole square dx. This will simply give you the required area. That is what? Integration part is quite simple. 2x integral to x square by 2 minus 2x square, that is 2x cube by 3 from 0 to 1, minus of x cube by 3 from 0 to 1 by 2, minus of x minus 1 whole cube by 3 from 1 by 2 to 1. This calculation we can do, that is 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3 minus of 1 by 8 3 is a 24, that is 0, minus of upper limit 0 minus of lower limit 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2 cube minus 1 by 8, so minus of minus plus 1 by 8, 24. If you just find this value, your answer will come. Again, a very simple straightforward problem actually, no need to worry much about this, and I think directly this only was asked that time also. Simple question, simple calculation. Very interesting problem actually, this one. He said that this is the set 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. A to A, you have to find the number of functions such that f of mn should be equal to f of m into f of n. So the question will arise that what is the value 2 can take? Can f of 2 will be 4? See that if suppose f of 2 is 4, what happened to f of 4? F of 4 we can write as 2 into 2, and according to this you should get f of 2 into f of 2, that is 4 4s are 16 you should get. But can 4 take the value 16? No, because in the codomain we don't have the value 16, means 4 image will not exist, and hence this will not be a function, means f of 2 cannot be 4. If it cannot be 4, means 6, 8, 10 option are also ruled out. With the same logic, means for 2 only option left is what? 2. F of 2 must be 2. So 2 can take the image in how many ways? One way. Now come on, tell me what will be f of 4 with this logic? F of 2 into f of 2. F of 2 how much? 2. 2 into 2, 4, means f of 4 will also be fixed. What is that? 4. Now come to f of 8. F of 8 we can write as f of 4 into 2, that is f of 4 into f of 2. F of 4 how much we got? 4. F of 2 we have how much? 2. 4 2s are 8, means 8 also can take the value in one way only, 8. But for 6 and 10, 6 can be written as 2 into 3, and we don't have 3 in the domain. So we should simply give any value of 6. 6 can take image in how many ways? 5 ways, there is no restriction. Similarly, 10 can take the image in how many ways? 5 ways, there is no restriction. That is 5 5s are 25. So how many such functions will exist? 25 such functions will exist. So these are the only available problems we have from our sources, but whatever the thing we have, and again I am saying that this is may not be the 100% perfect problems. Maybe the options are differ, the values may be differ, but somewhat here and there these are the possible problems. So these are the possible problems we have. We had discussed that. Again, overall I will say that maths exam is, you will consider it as a moderate. We can't say it is very easy, We can't say it is very difficult, but again those 5 or 6 problems are the main deciding factors. I will say that remaining problems every student will do, but among these 5 students, these 5 problems, the student who will able to solve at least 3 or 4 problems, his percentile will be very good. So that's all from my side. I'm signing off. Thank you.